Hi guys, it's Brad from ShopDog Vans, custom van builder in Stratford, Ontario. And when I say custom, that's really true. Every van we build is truly custom for each client. So we're going to talk today about the Dawg Haus. This van is built on a Mercedes Sprinter 170 extended. So very capable, very big, very awesome machine. There's a lot of things to talk about the Dawg Haus, but first of all, for these clients, I'll frame it up for you. Paddling primarily is their sport and their love. In winter season, it's skiing and snowboarding. So those are really the two main activities that they're going to undertake while they're out and about traveling. First and foremost, when you enter the van, you see the river feature ceiling. Now these clients live in London, Ontario, and do a lot of their training in the Thames River. So we've created a stylized river along the ceiling of the van with exactly the fork of the Thames there. So really cool feature. The clients are absolutely going to love it. You can also see the same river theme going through the countertop on the passenger side. So our galley here is made of walnut slab with an epoxy river running through the middle. Given that they're going to use this van truly in a four-season format, we've put in our usual insulation package. We've got a hydronic heating system. We've included in-floor hydronic heat. We have a heat exchanger connection up under the hood, so we can pull heat from the engine while you're driving. And we've got that same hydronic system interconnected with the hot water heater and a heat exchanger to support the shower system. The van is built with an undermount AC unit. In this custom-made shower, it's really a bathroom and a shower together. It's really two rooms in one. In its normal state, we've got our composting toilet in the rear, forward a bathroom sink. But then when it's time for shower mode, we can move the entire shower wall, slide it aft, and you've now got a dedicated shower room. On the driver's side, just aft of the bench, we've got another galley with a refrigerator underneath. This is a CR200, 200 liters capacity, fridge and freezer. And on top of that, an induction cooktop. So part of our hydronic heating system is in-floor heat. We've got heat loops running through underneath the floor. Makes for wonderful and comfortable use of the van, particularly when you're using it through the winter season. With this layout, what we've really got is almost a private, separate bedroom in the back of this van. And we've created the bed with electric actuators such that the bed can be tilted up at the back and at the front. Fantastic and robust electrical system. They've got more than enough charging capacity and battery capacity to go off on the off-grid adventures that we know they're going to take. We have a very generous battery bank at 1200 amp hours, 3000 watt inverter charger, 100 amps of DC to DC charging from the alternator. The roof is equipped with a Remora roof rack, 800 watts of solar panels, Starlink antenna, providing Wi-Fi and connectivity wherever they go. The garage area is equipped with a generous sliding tray, and we also have some ski racks that are removable seasonally. As for the water system in the van, we've got 40 gallons of fresh water. We have a UV filter filtering drinking water. We've also got a shower faucet at the rear of the van. Mounted on the back of the van, we've got luminous back racks and an Owl Engineering Monster box on the passenger side. Outside the van, we have a Fiamma awning to provide rain and sun protection.